When one of your orders is assigned to a shipping partner for fulfillment, Cahoot needs to create a shipping label from their location to your customer. The partner doesn't know how you would ship your SKUs, which packaging is best to deliver your inventory safely, what dimensions or shipping weights to use. So Cahoot uses what we call package data to take the thinking out of shipping label creation for you and your partners. And it's what allows us to create the very best shipping labels for your shipping partners automatically every time, no human necessary. You never have to manage shipping labels for orders assigned to shipping partners. Never have to be concerned that a suboptimal carrier or shipping service is being used. We consider all your carrier and service options and get it right every time. And it's the most efficient shipping label solution available today because it takes all the time and work out of shipping label creation. It's completely invisible to you and your partners. It runs in the background and creates shipping labels automatically all day long, while you're focused on more important work. Traditionally, heavy use of hard-coded business rules, filters, and if-then logic had to be managed manually, dozens of them, and they couldn't contradict one another or there would be errors, costing time and money to fix them. The Cahoot Package Manager is a simple one-time exercise per SKU, and it's smart. It learns from past selections and remembers them for the future. For example, how did you ship multi-quantity or multi-line orders last time? Cahoot remembers. All right, now that we know why Cahoot requires package data, let's review how to enter it. Step 1. Start by going to Settings, then click on the Package Manager tab. This is where you will define all your custom packaging that will be used for SKUs in the Warehouse Exchange program. Simply click Add New and enter a name for your packaging and the dimensions. This step allows you to quickly reuse and assign your supported packaging in the package data editor in the next step. Step 2 is to enter the package data itself. There are several ways to do this. First, if you're using Cahoot as your primary shipping label solution for any or all of your channels, you can click Add Data in the SKUs Missing Package Data section of your Cahoot dashboard. You will have just created hundreds of shipping labels in a couple clicks. This is a progressive approach because you're only adding package data for SKUs that you have live orders for. You can also click the link to No Package Information in the Product Summary section of your Cahoot dashboard, which will display the full list of SKUs missing package data. Click Add Package Data to add it. Or if you're newer to Cahoot and you only have several to a few dozen SKUs in the Warehouse Exchange program, you can target them specifically by going to Products, All Products, open the filters, enter a SKU, and click Go. This time, we're going to add the package data. So let's start by selecting the smallest dimension packaging this item will fit into and ship safely. If the packaging isn't in your custom packaging dropdown, simply click Add New to create it quickly. Note that if Cahoot has product dimensions for this SKU, it will pre-populate package data using the smallest options available for the services you support. So often, you may just be able to come into the screen and click Save on these values and go directly to the next SKU. But if not, simply select your custom packaging, enter the shipment weight, that's the weight of the shipment, including the packaging materials, not the product weight, but the fully packed package. Then you can choose USPS flat rate options, if you support them, or explicitly define not to use flat rate options. You can select FedEx specific packaging, UPS specific packaging. Remember, we're selecting the smallest packaging that this SKU will fit into and ship safely. Of course, it'll fit into the bigger ones, but let's pick the smallest. You can add an optional bin location, which is the warehouse location where you're storing this inventory. Bin locations are printed on Cahoot packing slips and pick lists for picking efficiency and to help with accuracy. You can add delivery confirmation service or additional insurance if you'd like. These options will apply to all shipping labels created for this SKU automatically. So if it's a higher value item, for example, you may want to add one or both of these here. And that's it. Click Save and you're done. Please note that this data needs to be added for every SKU that is associated with the product. So if you have 3 different SKUs associated with a product, this data needs to be added for each of them. You can quickly add package data to similar or related SKUs by using this clone feature at the top of the package data window, which will auto-populate all the package data for the SKU you're cloning from. Please make sure that the data is accurate because Cahoot is using these values to create shipping labels automatically. So if any of these values are incorrectly assigned to a SKU, the wrong shipping label could be created.